Changing oil on the Honda Accord 97 V6. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the right. There's your filter. Let me show you. There's the drain plug, 17mm. So unscrew it and have the catch pen ready underneath. Yeah, I didn't lift the car up. That's probably a good idea. That should go. Yeah. So. There's the oil. He hasn't changed it in probably like 6,000 miles, so it is gonna be pretty dark. Like so. Now, let's just take our filter off. Over there. Let's try this thing. Came loose. Let it drain now a little bit. Oops. Okay, so I'm just gonna wait until it drips a little more and then I'll start putting new filter on. Gonna put new filter on. Alright, so filter's in, drain plug is also in. I can start, you know, putting oil in the car, and yeah, after that I'm gonna start. It's time to put the oil in using 530 for this thing. Takes probably about like 5 quarts because I just saw over there 5 quarts came out pretty much. I just put like 4 quarts I think, and now I'm just gonna quickly start this thing up. Let's try it. Okay, let it warm up a little bit really quick, and okay, it's good enough. Just the oil goes in the oil filter and all that stuff. Also check for leaks. Sure there are no leaks, nothing like that. Okay, it's time to check this thing. Okay, where's my level? Okay, so that's how you do the oil change on this car. And yeah, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks.